Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Friday, March 26, 2010. This morning I wanted to go through PDF reporting because a number of people ask about this from time to time, and it's nice to be able to produce PDF documents because you can email them around, you can print them more easily, and you can get nice formatting out of them if you support most of the protocol. And it turns out that a while ago Bruce Badger created a library that does this. Now this morning I published a small version, and the only change to this was to set up a method to make the test output directory settable from a method instead of a dialog box. I didn't make any structural changes to the code. So we're going to go ahead and load this so that I can show you how this works. Okay, with that in, what we can do is we can go down here to this little workspace I set up. First thing I can do is use this method I added to set the test directory. I'm just going to set it to my current directory. That means all the documents that are produced will go into that current directory. And the other thing that's nice about this package is that there are a lot of test methods in it. That's one of the things Bruce Badger is pretty good about. So we're going to go ahead and run this test07 and then use the external web browser open to use the default application on my platform. It'll be Preview on the Mac. It would probably be the Adobe Reader on other platforms. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we go. We've got a new PDF document with a bunch of pages. You can see over here. And they're all pretty much the same, although the fonts differ. So you can see the fonts marching down bigger as we go down. And that shows you some of the capabilities you have using the code here. So let's close that. Try one more just to show you how things work. We'll go here to this one, 09. And again, multiple pages. We have this, but notice this draft that's behind this so that you can see that as we march these things up font-wise, you've still got the draft behind it. So you can produce documents using a number of the API features of PDF. Now let's go in here to the code a little bit, and I'll show you where things are. Now, where you probably want to start your investigations is in PDF testing. Go to this PDF self-test, go to the class side. You'll see that that's where I specified this new method. If you go to test report 13, test report 14, that's where you'll find these tests that you can run. And if you go to self-test, that's where you'll find the ones I've been running. So you find test 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you can produce various tests and see how this works and see what the API looks like. So you see what you do is you create a new PDF document on a stream using PDF Writer, and then just send things like new page, new line, write something more. So you can create all kinds of interesting things and format them pretty much any way you want using the API of PDF. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.